Okay, Bubba. I'll follow you. Oh, there's a groundhog hole. Look. Oh, you see it? Look right there. Groundhog lives down there. Huggy. Yep, right down there. Okay, I'll follow you. Lead us out. Yep. He's probably in there sleeping. You think so? Don't want to wake him up. Yeah, we don't want to wake him up. Okay, I'll follow you. Which way do you want to go? You want to go back this way? This way, okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, down there. Oh, let's go up the hill. Let's go up the trail. It's a beautiful day today. Is it a beautiful day? Yes, it is. Is it fun on the trails? Are we going to try to go down the hill without falling? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's go down the hill. Okay. Okay, wait for Mommy. Oh, here we go. Let's go over the log. Good job. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. It's a little steep. And it's a little wet out. Hold on. This way. Through here. Through here. I don't want you to fall down the hill because you'll tumble and roll and you might not stop for a while. Hold on. Okay. Wow, we went down the hill. All right here's where we stop. Here's the line, baby. See the marker? There we go. Whoa. What do you see? What is that? What is it? Oh. All right, honey, you want to lead the way back up? Can you lead the way? Huxley. Oh, wow, you're so strong. Good job. Oh, my goodness. Wow. You are strong, baby. Oh. Oh, wow, look at those skills. You went under it instead of over. Good job. Wow. Good job. Yeah. Good job, Hugs. Okay, honey.